In today's video, I will be sharing with you a mind-blowing strategy I think many professional traders are hiding from, especially beginner traders. Now, when it comes to trading the financial market, there are a lot of secrets that are hidden that many traders don't know about. And in this video, I will be very proud to introduce to you one of the best strategy that I've been seeing people publishing on YouTube. But the truth about the whole thing is that they don't tell you actually how to get a unique entry price, where to get a perfect short for your trading. In this video, I'll show you how to get a perfect entry, where to enter from, and how you can make the most out of it. This strategy is one of a kind and 100% beginner friendly. That simply means anyone, even if you're starting today, you stand a chance to trade with this strategy and make a whole bunch of money. This video is going to be so educational. Please, I want you to pay attention. If today is the first time you're seeing me here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. That will help me a lot. One more thing to keep in mind, don't forget to click on that bell notification icon, because if you do that, you are telling YouTube that each time I publish a video, YouTube should send you a notification. Please do that to help me. Okay, now this strategy is called that it don't have actually any name. It's just two things that you need to use. We are going to be using 4 hours with the Fibonacci tool, and our entry time frame is going to be 5 minutes. Now, I don't want to talk too much. I think it's time for me to dive into my desktop, where I will be sharing the whole thing with you step by step. Let's go. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm here with you in the studio, and of course I will be sharing this strategy with you. All I want you to do for me is to pay attention, because this strategy is about to change the way you trade the financial market big time. Now I want you to pay attention, because you will gain a lot of incentive and insight in this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. Without wasting time, let's dive into my desktop, where I will be sharing with you 100% how the system works. Let's go. If you come here, you're going to see I am on Forex Tester 5. Forex Tester Online. This is one of the best backtesting software that I've been using for the past 5 years now, and of course it's giving me what I want, and I backtest every single strategy. Now, the reason why you need this software, in case you see any strategy online, before you use it on a live account, before trying on a live account, I think it's important to backtest it on a software like this. Now, even using demos sometimes, it will be difficult to backtest years of history, with a particular strategy. But with the help of Forex Tester Online, you can backtest years of history and bring it to present. I mean, it's one of the best software. You backtest every single strategy you saw or you see online, and you can use it to do whatever you want to do with it. I've been using this system for years, and of course you can use the software today. The link is 100% available in the video description below, and also in the pinned comment. Don't forget. Okay, now if you come back here, you're going to see we're on the 4-hour time frame, and this is it. This is 4-hour time frame, and every single candle here is 4 hours before they expire. Now let me start by giving you the first candle here, how this strategy work. We're going to mark this candle before we go to the next candle. We're going to see we have the high and the low. So we're going to mark our candle with a Fibonacci tool. Since we are looking for sell setup, we're going to mark the high from high to low. Okay, let's come here to Fibonacci tool. We'll click on it, and I can expand this so I can see it very well. Oops. Okay, so let's go to Fibo again, and then I'll mark the high to the low. Okay, pay attention, very important. Okay, now we have it. So now what do we actually do? So let's mark this particular 4-hour candle. Very important. You see what I've done here? I use my Fibonacci tool from high to low, and of course my entry, pay attention very well, my entry will be between 38.2 and 50.0. Those are the two ways. When price pull back in the new candle, this is where I will be taking my entry, and this will only happen on the 5-minute time frame. Now once you set up your 4-hour time frame, and then you pick this can happen on every 4 hours, and then if it happens, you buy or you sell, and then you make your money. As simple as that. Okay, now so we're gonna go back to the 4-hour to the 5-minute time frame and wait for the beginning of a new candle. Okay, so what do we do now? We're gonna come back here to 5 minutes and click on it, and voila, we're on the 5 minutes. Right, and this is the end of the 4 hours. So let's mark the end of this 4-hour candle. This is where the 4 hour started, and this is where the 4 hour ended. Okay, remember, this is where it all started 4-hour beginning, 4-hour ending. Very important. Now we're going to play this forward and then we're going to see what happens. So first candle forward, second candle, this is all 5 minutes. Okay, it break, you can see it break the 0 level of the Fibonacci level, but I want price to pull back right into 38.2 or 50 before I take my sell trade. Pay attention. Okay, so one candle forward. Next, we're now in 38, so let's go next. Okay, next, I think this is a place for me to sell. All right, but I'll wait for this price to be broken. Okay, all right, so pay attention, keep going forward. One candle, this is my entry. Pay attention, look at this. Oops, this is my entry. Okay, let me drag this up a little bit for you to see. Now pay attention, you can see this is the beginning of the 4 hours. Okay, and this is the end of the 4 hour. All these 5 minute candle are in a new 4-hour candle, and you can see price break the 0 level of the Fibonacci, went back and tap into 38.2, came back down. The confirmation I'm looking for just market structure shift, MMS. Okay, so let's look for this. This is my market structure shift that I'm looking for. So I want this because market formed a low here and price went back, came back. I'm supposed to enter here, but I'm waiting for a proper confirmation, and voila, we have a confirmation right here. Okay, once I have this confirmation here, I will prepare myself for a sell trade, and we're going to target 2 to 1. So let's go here and look for risk reward, and then we're going to add our risk reward right here. All right, so hold on and I'll show you more. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is to see that I set my TP, my stop loss, just right above this high here. Okay, so my stop loss is 14.2 points. Okay, that's pips, 14 pips. So let me take it right above the high. So now this is 20 pips, so I will be looking for 42 to 1. 40, right? Pay attention, very important. So let's look for 40. All right, 40 pips right there. All right, so I can now expand this forward like this. All right, now you see a very clean chart, and this strategy works a lot. So let's play it forward. Oops, we're going to enter trade. So where we are, so we're going to enter sell. We use 0.1 and then we enter sell trades. And of course, I will set my TP right here, right about that spot here. Yes, then I'll set my stop loss. Where is it? Stop loss right above there. Okay, so if it went against me, I'll be losing $20, and if it go my favor, I'll be making $40. So let's go play forward and let's see. Boom, see that it hit my TP, and of course I'm out of the market with profit. Now I've been doing this for a very long time. It's a simple one example I'm giving you. Can backtest it as many times as possible. This is the major reason why I want you to know you can backtest it as many times as possible. You can always use Fibonacci for this, and if you use Fibonacci, you are good to go. You can see what happened here. You see it came here, and then I look for market structure shift happen here. Bam, I sell it off, and then you can see I make that money. Super simple, super simple, and this is it. Anybody can do it. I mean, even if you're starting today as a complete beginner, you stand a chance to use this strategy and make more money. Well, this will bring me to the end of the video. If you want to be backtesting this almost every single time, you can get the Forex tester online. You can start with the free version. The link is available in the video description below. Thank you once again for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. That will help me a lot. Thank you, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.